Okay, so right now I'm taking the car to the bay wash, as you can see. So I'm taking the car to the bay wash, and it will start being cleaned. Once it is over, we can do more reviews about this car. So let us sit it here for a while, get well cleaned from the interior, exterior, and the engine as well. So after that, you have to take some of the stuffs inside, such as some of there, but also I have some stuff on the back here. So that's why I took to the car. It's still dirty, and they said it to be cleaned. So I'm still at the bay wash waiting for the car to be cleaned yet. Right now it's being soaked up by soap. And now we are letting it stay for a little bit so that all the dirt drains down. So this is how it looks from the back after being cleaned. And so the car is being cleaned out. This is how it looks from the left side. Although it's kind of night, but I think the light is okay. This is how it looks from the back. And from the top, that's how it looks. From the front. So these numbers which still looks on the top here, this can be easily removed by using petrol, so I'll do it by at home. But for now, it's okay. Let's use from the front. So I'm just ripping out this paper nice and slowly so that there is no glue which sticks on the mirror. So that looks from the inside, from the rear. So we have seen outside how it looks after being cleaned. Let us see inside. So from the inside, from the door panel, this is how it looks. That's how it looks from the dashboard. In the climate control area. From the steering wheel. So from the seats have been well cleaned. From the back, it has been well cleaned as well. There is my computer there for work. The top panel. So now the car has been well cleaned. It is neat and clean, and this is how it looks from the right side. This looks from the front right side. And if you remember on the previous part of the video, in front of here there was some of the written words by the erasable or removable marker pens. So I just took out the petrol and then I cleaned out all the words, and that's how it looks. From the left side, from the back side, from the top, I will close all the doors and we can start going. So thanks guys for watching. This marks the end of my video or my review for this. I hope to see you on the next one.
Like, comment, and subscribe.